In order to prepare the valley controller for installation on a flat roof and a straight piece of gutter, these 2 points are removed. These are cut off. And then what that does is that leaves you the center baffle, which drops into a straight gutter. These points are removed by just trimming them off with a pair of snips. The cut line that I have marked here mirrors the center baffle. Takes 2 cuts in the inside, and it's done with just a pair of snips. Just finish the lines and you're done. This valley dumps onto a roof which is flat, and we have a flat valley controller for this particular installation. We install 2 valley controllers side by side in this situation, and the reason we do it is this water flow will come down here, and the harder it flows, the further out it'll go this way before it comes down to this roof. This is a standard valley controller, and you can see it has these 2 points on here, okay? Those points can be simply trimmed off. I've put a notch in this one to go over the hanger, okay? And the way they install is they slip up underneath the shingle, sit down in the gutter, I install the other one right next to it, and I leave just a slight gap in between so the water can go down in between. Then all you have to do is slip your leaf protection in and butt it up against the side. And then you've got enough width here, no matter how hard the water flow gets, it won't go out and go past. That's all there is to install in a flat one.